guys, we're back again with another short vlog, and this time we will be having a walking tour here in Chinatown. So we are currently here in front of Chinatown complex, guys, and this Chinatown complex is a very wide area for activities. Yes, and that's where I did my laundry, guys, and that's where we had our dinner. So they have a mini stage here, and by the way, that's the Buddhist Tooth Relic Temple. So it's something very famous that you should not miss it. And of course, they have Chinatown Visitor Center, and here you can see that there are a lot of old folks here. So this is their pastime. They're playing a game. I'm not sure the name of the game. So we will now do a walking tour here in Chinatown. So aside from Chinatown complex, there are also a lot of stalls beside the road when in Chinatown. But that one, it's not Chinese restaurant, it's Indian. Aside from that, there are also a lot of stalls here, guys, selling anything from snacks to drinks as well as fruits. I haven't noticed this, guys. They do have Starbucks here in Chinatown. But of course, we will not go there because the food is very expensive. So time check, it's 6:04 and it's not yet dark. It usually gets dark when it's close to 8 in the evening. So that's still part of Chinatown commercial complex something. So this one, it's another building. And take a look at that, guys. Amazing infrastructure. And of course, since it's not that hot anymore, there are a lot of people now. Look, they are selling durian. So this portion of Chinatown has a lot of souvenirs. So if you'd like to give souvenirs to your loved ones, you should visit this portion, guys.
Let's go.
So okay, this one is another durian place. Unfortunately, I'm not that fan of durian, so we will not be trying that one. So this one is another road. Cars do still pass by here. So this one, another row of souvenir shops. So that one is a restaurant. This one is another souvenir shop. In this portion, it's not that crowded, guys. They also have Thai restaurant here. Nice. Another Thai restaurant. I think they're just the same. So the Thai restaurant here is a bit big. And of course, Chinese restaurant. So look at those buildings, guys. Isn't it amazing? Terra. So this is the portion or part of Chinatown that you should not forget to visit. Chinatown Heritage Center. Unfortunately, there's an entrance fee of $15 from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. but the regular is $25. So there's a statue here, guys. Samsoy women. So it's getting crowded and busy here, guys. Nice. Of course, souvenirs. So by the way, guys, when we will reach the China MRT station or Chinatown MRT, we will then end our vlog. Souvenirs again. course, Luckin Coffee. This one. So Chinatown Street Market. Another souvenir shop, guys. And of course, others are also offering massage services, but we did not avail of that one. So we're already here in front of Chinatown MRT station, guys. So we will now be ending our vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.